Hi friends, let me show you this new picture lamp that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a 16 inches lamp. It comes with a user manual, okay? It is a battery lamp, so you don't need to have it wired. That's a nice thing. And you can use it to give light to any portrait or picture that you have in your wall, okay? It is a magnetic unit. You fix this to the wall and then you just put it like this, okay? So when you turn it on, you get a nice light, okay? You have also a remote because you can change different light intensities, okay? You can put different light intensities, or you can turn it off and on. You can change the color or temperature. That's a cold, warmer, and in the middle. And this is the cold one, okay? And you can change the intensity, okay? You also can set it to be on from 15 minutes to 2 hours, and it will turn off automatically, okay? So this is a nice wall lamp to give light to any portrait or picture that you have. Let's try it. And the lamp will charge with a regular USB-C cable. You just take it off, go charge it, and put it back in place. So that's really convenient, okay? As you can see, you get a nice light, even if it's either if it's a cold or warm light to your pictures, to your drawings, to your posters, to whatever place you want to give this nice touch of light. So, looks great. And you just take it like that to charge it again, okay? You can even turn it off here. And put it back there, okay? So, very nice lamp, easy to install, easy to use. Very recommended. Thank you.